If you are looking to join the thousands of users at leading manufacturers already leveraging aPriori, all you need to do to get started is simply upload your 3D CAD data into the Manufacturing Insights platform. After entering the process group, location, and material, the AI-powered manufacturing simulation evaluates the cost, manufacturability, and embodied carbon in seconds. The results can be broken out by material and process, or by each process. For deeper insights, you can also look at material utilization to ensure waste is minimized. Other manufacturing methods can be compared for both cost and carbon, while also ensuring manufacturability with progress tracking built in so you can balance profitability with sustainability. Evaluating these critical KPIs during design reduces risk, reducing the chance of late-stage changes, preventing higher than expected carbon import tariffs without delaying time to market. Turn intent into action, make data-driven decisions around profitability, sustainability, and manufacturability with aPriori.